Okay, we have bought URLs, step 1. We have already completed step 2, changing the DNS settings. And basically what that is pointing our new sites to our hosting account. If you're one of my partners and you're looking at this video, you'll know that I've already sent you all the new domains that have already been pointed at the hosting account, and you can pick up right from here. So we're going to log into our cPanel account. This is in HostGator. And you can see here we're in cPanel. And we're going to scroll down to domains. And we already have a root domain, which is going to be the original domain that we set up the hosting account with. And what we want to do now is create all the add-on domains, which are going to be the other domains we'll be using and hosting on this account. So we click add-on domain, and we see that that comes up. And now, working from a list here, this is a list of all the URLs that we just bought pointed to our hosting account. And I have this in Notepad. This is the root URL, which is the URL that the account's based on. Everything below that will be an add-on domain. And I've already added Bureau, so now I'm going to get camera binoculars, copy that, paste it here, click in the next box, and it fills those out for you. And then we're going to put in a keyword, come down to the next box, match that keyword, and click add domain. And I'm not sure what's going on, but my computer's a little slow today. Okay, there. Camera binoculars info has been created. Would you like to manage files in this domain? If so, you can do so here at File Manager. We're not ready to do that because what we're going to do is go through each of these steps 5 times. That means we're going to put in 5 domain names at a time. That allows you to get into the groove, which means you do it faster. And toggling back and forth between 10 different screens just to get one site live, it would take you over, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. But doing it this way, doing 5 at a time, we can manage to average about 1 minute to 2 minutes on each of these steps. And you saw just how long that took us. So that's really the fastest way to do it, is do them in blocks of 5. So instead of going to File Manager and loading themes and doing everything else that we need to do, we're just going to go back and put in some new add-on domains. Bear with me. This computer's acting up just a little bit, so I pull out my Notepad again, highlight, copy, paste in the top box, click in the second one, autofills, using the same password for ease, add domain, and let's give this thing a little boost. Problem creating the domain, show details. Error from domain wrapper was not added. Okay, that's cool. We'll go back and add it again. That is, I think, simply based on what's going on with my computer. So you shouldn't have any problems like this. Okay, go back. There's a problem creating an add-on domain. I'm going to move on with another example and come back and fix that in a minute. I know what's going on, but there's no need to have it in this video, so I'm going to copy the next one, put it in here, autofill, so I'm going to Give it a minute to work. There we go. Discountbinoculars.info has been created. Go back, and now we're ready for another one. So, you can see that we've now added 2, and really just a matter of a couple of minutes. So, if you do them, again, if you do them in blocks of 5, and you may even want to move on to 10 after you get used to it, get used to going through the process, literally only takes 30 seconds to a minute to get this one step done. And there are a lot of people who have a lot of trouble with this, and this training's actually worth a lot of money. So, but it's real easy. It's real easy. But learn it and do them in blocks, 5, 10. I do them in sometimes in 20, and you'll really make up some time there. Next, we're going to move on to the next step. So that'll end this session, and I'll see you there.